Many people have varying sentiments and opinions as regards to owning and choosing guns. Although weapons are symbolic two-edged swords with the capacity to protect and eliminate, their importance can hardly be overlooked. The first step to acquiring a gun is deciding which fits for use from an array of worthy options. There's quite a pool of alternatives for picking the right weapon. This births the recurring question, which pistol should I buy? Standing out on this list is the Glock, a classic gun that is great in quality and performance. Glocks come in a wide variety of types for various purposes and needs. They include the Gen 5, Glock 17, Glock 47, Glock 42, Glock 43, Glock 19, Glock 30, 10mm auto, 9mm, and other classic series to mention a few. Glocks are in a world of their own regarding pistols, handguns, or everyday carry. There are a number of upsides to owning a Glock pistol, and in this video, we take time to examine 5 reasons you should own a Glock. So if you're looking for a reason to purchase a Glock, we'll offer you 5 reasons why Glocks are worth your money. Before we get started though, it would do us a whole lot of good if you could take a moment of your time to like and subscribe to our channel. Become a part of our community and never miss out because we post content like this all the time. So be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post new updates. Having done that, let's get on with the video. Number 1. Assurance and universality. Thanks to a 30-year legacy of performance, durability, and reliability, the Glock brand is a symbol of confidence among law enforcement professionals, gun enthusiasts, and consumers throughout the United States. The numbers and the records favor Glocks, reassuring prospective users of the credibility of Glock pistols. They're engineered to be safe, simple to shoot and maintain, and ready to perform when called upon. The combination produces confidence for the owners of Glock pistols. There's no need to fret or doubt the effectiveness of the guns. The Glock brand also provides a safe action system that serves as a trusted, reliable solution that always performs when needed. Also, consumers seeking personal defense can rest assured that Glock pistols will fire when the system is engaged, but won't fire unintentionally. Glock believes that responsible gun ownership begins with gun safety training. To sweeten the juice, Glock offers pistols in various sizes and calibers to meet the defensive needs of law enforcement and civilians alike. Because of its universality, you likely won't have trouble finding replacement parts. Even with the worsening of supply chain problems, its universality makes it easy to source parts for replacement or repair. That's because Glock is the most widely issued service pistol on the planet. More law enforcement agencies, military units, and civilians carry Glocks than any other pistol. This means accessories and parts like slide stop levers, buttons, magwells, optics, triggers, and more for Glocks are top of mind for aftermarket third-party manufacturers. Its widespread use is a flex you should enjoy. You can imagine how thrilling it is that whenever a company makes accessories for something, they first make items compatible with Glocks. What's more exciting than imagining is experiencing it, which is why you should definitely buy a Glock. Wrapping up, it's safe and very accurate to say that Glocks are your best buddies. They're tough and prevalent, and they provide quite a lot you can do with guns, both tactically and in terms of customization. Bother no more on the thoughts. Glocks are recommended as the foundation and standard for most firearms collections. It's an even better option for a first-time gun owner. Glocks have revolutionized the world of pistols, which raises the reason for owning a Glock. Number 2. Special features. Glocks are typically known for their performance-effective yet user-friendly features. It meets the requirements of a good pistol and doubles up with handy aesthetics for user convenience. With a slightly shorter slide and barrel than the extended slide models, the Glock features adjustable rear sights and is made for shooters who value accuracy and reliability. The Glock single-stack slimline pistols are the smallest Glock pistols with the same trusted accuracy, and they adequately pair perfect magazine capacity with dependability. You get that firm grip that makes it easy to use and carry. so it's no wonder it's the concealed carry choice for thousands. Glock's first ever crossover pistol, the Glock 19X, combines the best features of two of its most popular and most trusted field-tested platforms. The full-size Glock 17 frame and compact Glock 19 slide have joined forces to produce the ideal pistol for all conditions and situations. At this point, you can already tell that Glock guns are great picks. Number 3. Cost effect. Glocks are affordable. Frankly, though pistols are quickly becoming a must-have, not everyone has a lot of money in their safe to pour into a gun purchase, so the Glock is very tough to beat in terms of price-to-value ratio. It gives you everything you need in a defensive handgun, and you can customize it over time as you please without breaking the bank. Suppose you're a first-time gun buyer looking for a home defense or everyday carry pistol. In that case, it will interest you to know that Glocks have a simple platform, operation, fairly straightforward maintenance, and durability to match the price with the value. So if you're having a hard time picking a pistol, just go with the Glock. Number 4. Simple maintenance and engineering. As mentioned in number 5, Glocks are hard to break, but every gun requires at least occasional maintenance to keep it running smoothly. One of the most thrilling things about Glocks is that you can teach about anyone how to disassemble, repair, clean, and reassemble a Glock with relative ease. It's too simple for a modern gun. You can break down a Glock to its parts almost without breaking a sweat. What's more interesting is the fact that you can become an official Glock armorer within just 8 hours of study and practice. The parts are also reasonably easy to find. Number 5. Performance and reliability. Glock guns are top performers and very reliable. Over the years, they've proven to be better in this regard. Glock pistols are the longest performing polymer pistol in the United States. They have an incredible track record of unparalleled reliability, durability, and performance. Glocks are tough and really strong. You can bet on them not to break down very quickly. Despite being a collection of metal and polymer parts, it's amazing how well Glocks hold up under immense pressure and for long hours compared to other pistols. Anyone who has had the chance to own a Glock knows how well they perform. In fact, Glocks very rarely experience a jam while being fired. The Glock was initially built to fire 10,000 shots while experiencing only 20 jams. It actually performs better than this in real life, which is mind-blowing. They're typically hard to break, with the capacity to last forever, operating well enough yet reliable if adequately kept and maintained. However, just like any other tool that has moving parts and is exposed to heat, pressure, thousands of jolts, and other coercion, some of the parts might need replacing once in a while. Well, this is almost unavoidable and also part of normal wear and tear maintenance, which is, yet again, normal. But make no mistake, Glocks are durable and robust, and maintaining and caring for it is recommended to further increase its usefulness. And with this guide, we hope you've learned the upsides of owning a Glock and why you should try one. Kindly tell us what you think about them in the comments down below. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates such as this. Also, please click the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload subsequent videos. Thanks a lot for watching.